So what is this? It's more than a high-density foam board and a design. It's actually a design pattern engineered to save your life. Let me explain. This foam insert has another part. Let me show you. This is a Bow Featherboard Pro. It's used for your table saw. Let me show you how it works. This bar on the back sits inside your T-track on your table saw. The featherboard should be installed behind your blade. This is very important. The unique design of the featherboard allows you to push the material forward, but locks in place when the board tries to go backwards. This helps prevent kickback and makes your table saw safer. Let's run an 8/4 board through the table saw to show you how this works. Alright, so there are so many features with this featherboard, and I have to say, my favorite one is probably the fact that you can remove the feathers and replace it with new ones. Because as you guys know, if you've used featherboards in the past, these wear out quite fast. And I think these are actually going to hold up to the other featherboards on the market because they are very durable. They're made out of dense, high-quality foam. And when they push through, they have a very unique movement, the way they move and the way they lock. I think they're just going to hold up much better than everything else that is out there. And it just simply just pops out and you pop in a new one and you're good to go. So you don't lose that investment that you've made in the system. You just simply replace this at a fraction of the cost. Also, having a featherboard in your shop just is a great idea to have. When you're pushing long boards through or smaller boards through your table saw, you want to be safe. The worst thing you could ever have happen in your shop is kickback. I've had a kickback happen to me. I had to go to the ER and it was very expensive and very scary. Thank goodness nothing bad happened. I just got a little bit of bruising. But guys, this is a no-brainer. This is way cheaper to buy than going and paying for an ER visit. Trust me. And it's good to be safe in your shop. We all want to be safe and practice safety. And this is just like a no-brainer. So get one for yourself. All right, guys, if you have any comments about this or want any other questions or I can help you answer questions, please post in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next tool review.